Hello everyone, welcome. Today I will talk about the Vana ecosystem, which has made a splash in the crypto market with its NFTs. It minted at $80 on December 1st and astonishingly reached a floor price of $10,000 to $12,000 by December 16th, and then managed to draw all the attention by coming to Binance Launchable. Before we move on, if you like our video, subscribe to our channel and open the notifications icon. You will motivate us a lot. If we're ready, let's get started. Yes, friends, someone who bought BNFD 22 days ago purchased it for $80 and sold it about 10 days ago for around $12,000 at a price of 3.009. And on top of that, he earned exactly 260 tokens in EUR from Vana. So we can say there's added wealth. Yes, when we look at Vana, it's currently at 52%. We can see that it's next in line. There is a market cap of 581 million. The total supply is 120 million. The current circulating supply is 30 million. Yes, if the 260 VNFT holders who won the airdrop sold at the current price, they would have made $5,000. Of course, someone who sells it for $25 is selling it for $6,000. I don't know if anyone sold at the maximum level, but someone who sold at $35 ended up winning a total of $9,000 from the airdrop. Just think about it. You're selling an NFT and getting $12,000 plus. Selling this from the top, you're getting $9,000. You're making a total of $21,000 in just 2 weeks. Yes, friends, anything is possible in crypto. You need to seize opportunities as much as possible. So keep following us. Look, it went up to $35 in the early moments here. This price still feels low to us compared to the market. The price may change, but it's low now. It is not known whether it will be left or water. However, the price is currently low. Our Coinbase listings haven't come in yet, friends. I think our Coinbase listings will be added to this as well. What is Vana and what is it used for? Vana is a fantastic ecosystem where we can regain control of our data. We all know that our data fills the pockets of big companies. The data sale that Reddit made with Google or the agreement between News Corp and OpenAI shows just how valuable our data is. This is exactly where Vana comes into play. With Vana, we can create, manage, and even profit from AI models that we feed with our own data. The purpose of Vana is to give us back control of our data. Now we can decide how our data will be used. We can receive rewards for our contributions. Vana initially received a $2 million investment in its funding round, friends. It received a $2 million investment in the seed stage, led by Polychain Capital. When we look at the Series A category, it received an investment of $18 million in 2022. Again, among the investors, there is Polychain Capital, along with other angel investors and Paradigm leading the way. As the latest investor, Coinbase Venture has joined in with a $5 million investment. It made a $5 million investment on September 18th, 2024. Our Vana token has received a total investment of $25 million. Friends, we see Anna Kozlauskas, an MIT graduate, as one of the co-founders and the CEO of Vana. As the CEO, we have Art Abel, a Harvard graduate, on the team, friends. Yes, when you look at the token distribution, Vana has a total supply of 120 million. In the token distribution, 22.9% is allocated to the ecosystem, 14.3% to investors, 18.8% to the team, and 44.0% to the community. From the amount allocated to the community, we can understand that there is also a project for the community. It was already clear from the airdrop. How can I integrate Vana with my Metamask? I'm going to the site vanascan.io. When I go to the site, at the very bottom left, there's Add Vana. Look, Metamask. When I say Add Vana, we can add the network from here. Then, friends, I went to Vana's Data Hub site. Here, I'm clicking on Add Vana. When I say stake power here, pools come up. You can get your Vanas from Binance TL, Binance, or any other exchange. If you won them from the airdrop and haven't sold them yet, you can come here and utilize your Vanas. There are stake pools, a prize pool of $400 million. You can stake your Vanas in the pool mentioned here and also earn their own tokens. For example, we will earn Valora tokens from the tokens we locked in Valora. You can unstack and do it in any amount you want. It also has an API rate of 192%. When you say unstack here, there's a situation like this. You need to wait 7 days to withdraw your Vanas. It's worth considering this as well. Let me talk about the other coins under this ecosystem. How can we trade the other tokens? On the left is DataDex. I clicked on DataDex. When I came to DataDex, I had already connected my MetaMask. I assume I have veins. There's very little here. I can come here and buy any coin I want. Clio Network, 36GPT, whichever you want. Where can we check the tokens? Here, guys. Of course, we will take a look at DEX Canada. When we come to DEX Canada, select your VNA. VNA hosts all ecosystem coins. Dobi, the first MIM token, has, for example, you can take a look at Dobi, which is the first MIM token of VNA. The market cap is $65,000, but it had previously gone up and down, breaking the same levels again, and for some unknown reason, it has experienced a significant drop and has literally returned to where it started. What I'm saying is definitely not investment advice. You can come here and check it out for yourself. You can look at the other tokens, see how much is inside, and pay attention to the market cap. You should especially check if it's locked in liquid. Besides that, there's also Clio Network, which is part of this ecosystem. You can download the Clio Network extension and add it here. Look, I've earned 68 Clio XP here. Here you can complete other tasks. What I've shared is definitely not investment advice. I just tried to share what I know about the Vana ecosystem as best as I could. If you want to see more of this kind of content, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Take care, y'all. Stay safe. Bye.